Here's my 98 Sportsman 500. Here's the shock that I'm going to install. I just got the old one out. They're over there. Of course, the difference is the thickness of the thread is a lot thicker and longer. That's why I ordered the 2003 shocks. That's the part number. Right there, I got it off of Amazon. I hope those are the part numbers. But yeah, anyways, these will go in there. Just got done taking out the shock just now. The spring compressor compresses the springs. Now I can go ahead and put this down in here. And then I got to use the pry bar on the bottom side here to go ahead and drop it down more. Let me see if I can hold it like this. Hold on, I'll be back. Here we go, part 2 of it, I guess. Get tight. There we go, dropped it down. Prying the bottom, prying the top up at the same time. And here we go. Install this all the way down. It's all the way down. You can feel it if you put your finger down here. The bottom of the shock tower. You feel it at the bottom. Good to go. Go ahead and install your bolts back up in here. The bottom one and the top one. So it'll be good to go. Cinch it down so it doesn't move or pull up while you're trying to install the spring. But yeah, that's the way I installed it. I did go to the hardware store. I went to what is it, Aces? Or no, Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply bought me a, what is it called? A 1/2 by 20 nut. And that's what I got installed up here. I bought a washer, then I bought a lock washer, and then the nut. It is a 1/2 by 20 pinch thread that will fit on top of this piece that is on the lift kit for me. I don't know if your lift kit is the same way, but that's what my thread pitch was. And here's the here's what I use for the top of the nut, just in case you're wondering. And then of course, you know, I bought the washer and the lock washer for the top and everything. I'm going to install this one here shortly. Thanks, bye.